Sarah's playing with some toys. You got your dolly. Oh, you got that toy off your hand. You still got your dolly, Sarah. You're making it shake. That's a good little girl. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Sarah. Mommy's gonna tickle you. Mommy's gonna tickle you. Tickle, 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 tickle. You didn't give me a laugh this time. You sure are playing with your hands a lot. You sure are playing with your hands a lot. Yes, you are. You got a hold of it. Sarah, you're my sweet girl. You got those legs a kicking too. Kick, 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 kick. Flapping those arms. Yay! Here comes Mommy's finger. Tickle, 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 tickle. I can get you. I can get you. Kitty, kitty. No smiling for Mama, huh? You're a pretty girl. Look at you. You're such a pretty girl. You gonna smile for the camera? What you doing? What you doing? You gonna play with your dolly? Okay, that's enough.